Okay, I am so excited about today's video. In today's video, we have a mystery box. I know, no shocker there. But this is from a brand new company. I purchased this myself. Well, at least I never heard of the brand or the company before, and I'm so excited. And our co-host today is also Miss Nala. I know. So if you want to hear what this is all about, see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this puppy worth the money? Keep on watching. So my friend Lisa, she told me about this company. She said she had a mystery box coming. And you guys know I love me some mystery boxes. And I'm like, a mystery box? Tell me more. And it's from a company called Bella and Bear. And now, of course, we heard of the Bella, like the Bella box, which was a skincare brand. But this is what this is. This is, I believe it's an indie brand. And it has like bath products, skincare products, and you guys know me, I love me some good skincare products, hence why I have nothing on my face. I have a little lipstick, a little eyebrow pencil, and some mascara on the top, but depending what's in here, because as you can see I have not opened the box up, we'll like try some stuff on. So this was $39. It says you get full and travel size products, and it's over an $80 value. Now for me, because I never heard of this company and I seen some stuff on there, I'm like, I wanted to try that. So I figured, why not get the mystery box? I get to try a few products and see if I even like it, you know? All right, so let me put this down. Let's open her up. I'm so excited.
12 seconds later.
You hear that noise? They're still setting off firecrackers. I know. Today's the what? The 15th already. And okay, so it has a box like this. And I didn't open it because I wasn't sure if there were just products inside or if there was another box. And I want to give you my genuine first impressions. So this is nice. This is and this is heavy too. Okay, so I'm excited. Okay. Wow. There's a lot of full-size products, unless this is sample or travel size, but a deluxe, but it's really decent sizes. So here's a little sneak peek. Just a little peek, because, you know, I like to tease you guys. Plus, it's heavy. This box has some weight to it, because this is real glass. All right. Oh, wow. After I move this, there's more sample sizes. Okay. All right. I am so excited. Okay. So, can you tell? The first thing that I'm seeing are these right here. And I always tell you guys I don't like foil packets, but this is okay. I'll tell you why. Because it has where you tear it off, but it has like the, what do you call that? You know, like on a sandwich bag where you can close it up. So that's what I like. I don't like the foil packets that once you take it off and then it like makes a mess. So I like the fact you can close, it's like a Ziploc thing. Okay, so this is the Tropics face mask. It brightens, tightens, and escapes to the topics. Oh, tropics. Oh, let me start over. It brightens, tightens, and escapes to the tropics. I guess the smell, it's called the tropics, you know? It says cleanse face. You put this on, you wait 20 minutes, and then you can rinse it off. And I'm telling you, this is a few times you can use this, honestly. Like, this is filled up. And it's not just like a thin. It is like a really good sample, so you can see if you like it. Okay, and then, so it looks like we have two of them to try. So two of the same thing. And then we have two of the whipped bath soap. Oh, I'm so excited. This is Punchy Pineapple. Both of them are punchy pineapple. Say that 3 times. Punchy pineapple, punchy pineapple, punchy pineapple. I shocked myself. It says for body brilliance. Oh, let me look these up. Where did I put my phone at? And let me just see how much these sample packets are. There is a lot in here. So it's not saying how much. I can't find it. Since I'm filming, if I can find it, I'll let you know. Like, I'll put a little thing up here. But full size is only $12.99. And it has all different scents. You got pink cherry, love, what does that say? Love flutter, unicorn dreams. I mean, all different ones. Okay. I am so excited. Okay. Calm down. All right, so then let's do this. So this is, I don't know if I'm going to enjoy this. So I have 3 of these, and these are the bath salts. I've never ever tried bath salts, and I guess because I know a lot of people use it for other things, even though I wouldn't or my children wouldn't, you know. But I don't know, so I just never tried them. I guess you just put them in the bathtub when you're taking a bath, right? You just pour it in. And it says, I love you very much. This is the strawberry and raspberry. All 3 of them are the same scent. Now, I wish they would have gave me different scents, just so that I can see. However, that is okay. I mean, this is a lot because, oh, sorry, I hit the microphone. Because this is 2 ounces right here. So we have 6 ounces. I mean, this is going to last me a while, you know? And at least I get to see what the bath salt is like. If I like it, if I don't, does it make my skin dry? Does it not? Do you know what I mean? So I'm okay with that, because if I do like it, then I can go in with a different scent. But I do wish at least one of them was different, you know? But beggars can't be choosy. That's what we have a mystery box. Remember, this mystery box was only $39. Okay, so for the travel size minis, these are $3.49 a piece. So $3.50 a piece. So $3.50 and $3.50 is $7, right? And then $10.50, right? So $11 for that. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, and now that I'm looking further in, so these are $3.49 a piece for the face mask. You get 2 of them, so that's $7. The whipped bath soap is $3.49. So I'm guessing all of the samples are about $3.49. Okay. Now we have these. These are samples. The rest, there's 4 other ones that are full size. So this is, I wanted this. I wanted this one. This is the Unicorn Dreams whipped bath soap. This is the one that I wanted to try. Oh gosh, because the full size looked beautiful. So let's open her up, and it is safety sealed and everything. You see that? So that's good. And look, then it has this, so that way it's not going to dry out. All right, so I just want to open her up, and I just want to see. Oh, that smells amazing. That smells amazing. And it feels like lotion, like very thick whipped butter. And this is a bath soap. So this is actually really good quality. Wow, and it smells really good. I'm shocked. It's very thick. Like, if I didn't know any better, I would think it was a body butter. It is really nice. Let me get a thingy-majiggy. Both of them are the same. So it says it provides a fluffy, creamy body wash that cleanses, softens, and smells like a tropical dream. It's also a handy shaving cream. Do you know what? You can use this as a shaving cream because it's like thicker, you know? Wow, this is really nice. It's vegan and cruelty free. TSA friendly size. So you could take this, you know, on vacation with you. Okay, I am impressed. All right, so the next thing is, so this is a full size body butter in Peach Baby. And you guys know I love me some body butter because I have an autoimmune disease and I get these like on my skin, my hands, and now I'm starting to get it on my arms and stuff. So I really am into like the body butters and stuff, and plus I'm diabetic, right? And so a lot of times my legs and stuff get dry. All right, so let's see how this is. Beach Vibes Only. Oh, I hope it smells like, I don't know, suntan lotion or something. That reminds me of the beach. Let's see. I hope it's thick. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
I don't know if I showed you, it does come with a safety seal.
3 days later.
Oh my God. I am like literally put on a sweat to open this up. Oh, that smells so good. And if you guys can see, it is like thick. It is really nice. Not like real thick, but you know what I mean. It's a nice body butter. Oh, this smells like pina colada or something like that. I don't know. Very nice smell. I like this. Like, I would purchase this again. I do like this smell. All right, I am really excited for that. Okay. So the next thing we have, this is a sugar scrub. Oh, yes. You guys know I love exfoliating. Oh, my God. My favorite. Let me show you my favorite so far. I have not found anything that I like better. So I want, hold on. Hold, please. Hold the phone. My favorite is the Tree Hut. I love this brand, but especially the watermelon. I love this so much. I love it. Like when you get out after you wash it off, you feel so hydrated. It still has like a oil kind of like it's smooth, and I don't know, I really like it because some of them, like the scrubs and stuff, like when it makes you feel dry. There's no oil, there's nothing to it. I mean, it does its job, but that's why I really like this a lot. And with that watermelon, like when I get out of the shower, like the hallway just smells amazing. All right, so I am so excited. This is called the Goddess Sugar Scrub. So I'm going to open this up. So there's two different things in here. What's the difference? We have a sugar scrub and we have a body scrub. So I wonder if the sugar scrub is for like when you shave, especially down in that area, you know? I'm not sure. I'll look it up in a second. All right. Okay, so, I don't want to open all of them, then like not use it and it goes dry, but I want to just tell you guys. Oh, I can see it. Oh, that smells good. I can see it's just like the Tree Hub. If you guys have tried the Tree Hub, look, you can see the oil. Like, you can see it. It's nice. Look. Can you see? It's not like the dry, and it's not like a hard that sugar scrub that like it's gonna hurt. You know, this is really nice. Okay, I'm going to have to put it to the test with the Tree Hut and this. I need a towel. Hold, please. Or you know what? I have tissues here. So what this says, it's exfoliates, cleanses, and moisturizes, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and radiant, and fused with the captivating scents of mango, pineapple, and a hint of coconut. It's a vacation for your senses. That is in Goddess. Now, there's two different sizes you can get. You can get the travel size, which is 3.4 ounces, or you can get the full size, is what this is, and this is $12.99, so $13. So these aren't really that much money. It's almost the same price as a Tree Hut, you know? So then the next one we have a body scrub. This is the Rose and Ivy. I just don't want to open it up because, I mean, you know, they go dry and stuff. But let me look at what the difference is between a sugar scrub and a body scrub. Okay, so the difference is a sugar scrub is a type of body scrub that uses sugar as the exfoliant agent. While both are physical exfoliants designed to remove dead skin cells, sugar scrubs are generally considered gentler due to the smaller, rounder particles of sugar. Body scrubs, on the other hand, can utilize various abrasive ingredients, including salt, sugar, or even ground up particles like coffee grounds or walnut shells, offering a wider range of exfoliant strengths. Okay, so that's why, like I told you, it didn't feel like it was going to hurt, where the body scrub will be a little bit more like, so let me just go ahead and, I want to feel the difference to see, is there that big of a difference or what? Because if you're sensitive, you know, to like exfoliate and stuff, then maybe sugar scrubs will be better for you. And I do know they use sugar scrubs like if you get a wax down there or you shave or something like that, you know. I do know like a lot of people do the sugar scrubs. Okay, so this is Rose and Ivy. Oh, and you know what, it smells good, but it's a very light scent. So I love the smell of Rose and Ivy, you know, any flower scent, but I know a lot of you guys don't like the smell of rose. But I'll tell you what, it's very, very faint. So, and I can see the difference by just looking at it. So the other one had like more, had oils to it and stuff. This is more, I mean, it's very soft too, okay? And the exfoliates feel just about the same this is more of a thicker consistency, where this is more of an oily consistency, like softer. Does that make sense? So I guess it goes by your preference. For me, I would like the body scrub on my hands, on my elbows, my feet, stuff like this. The sugar scrub would probably be, you know, my body, my sensitive parts and stuff, you know? And last but not least, we have another whipped bath soap in Pineapple Punch. You guys know, I love any fruit stuff, okay? Even like perfume and stuff. So I'm going to love this. I already know it. I'm not going to open it because, again, I have so much stuff here. And that is everything that comes in here for $39. I think you definitely get a good deal. Let's recap everything that we got. So I got the whipped bath soap. This is full size in Pineapple Punch. I got the full-size Goddess Sugar Scrub. I got a full-size body scrub in Rose and Ivy. I have a full-size body butter in Beach Baby. Beach vibes only, which I am glad because you get to try different items from them, you know. Now the samples, we have 2 whipped bath soaps in Unicorn Dreams. We have 3 of the bath salts. This is the only thing I'm like, only because I don't, like my oldest son Tyler, he loves taking baths. So does Lexi. Me, I take baths, you know, I have to be in the mood for it, you know, where some people just like taking baths. I love taking showers, you know. But I will definitely try this out and see how it is. And I'll probably give one to Lexi, absolutely. So we get to try them. You get 3 of them. And then I really like these because of the Ziploc, you know. So you get the whipped bath soap and Punchy Pineapple. And even though I got I got the full size, but I like it because I get to see what a sample looks like. Does that make sense? And I'm telling you guys, if you want to just try this out, they really are decent sizes. So they're $3.49, so $3.50 is a decent size to try it out. It really, really is. To see if you like it. So we got 2 of them and 2 of the mask. Now, again, on the site, I seen like skincare, there's serums, there's all that other type of stuff. I wish I would have got stuff like that. But this is okay too, because I love this type of stuff. So, would I ever purchase, well, first of all, if somebody said, would you give me $40 for this? You're damn skippy. I definitely would. I absolutely think it's worth it. I really, really do. So far, I haven't like physically tried it, but so far, there's not one complaint that I have. And that's unusual for me. You know that. Because I always got something to say.
We know, we know, we know.
All right, I'm going to get off of here. Let me know what have you ever heard of this company, Bella and Bear? If you have, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Are you going to try it out? Let me know. Even if you just get 1 or 2 things just to try it out. Don't forget to thumbs up the video or thumbs it down. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. It would mean the absolute world to me. Don't forget, I do have a vlog channel called Just Anne's World if you're interested in that. And over there, I just started memberships where it's just extra content, and it'll be videos and different things that I just can't put on YouTube and all of that stuff. And what else? Is there anything else? I don't know. This is why I don't film at night, because I'm definitely a talker. I definitely am. All right, guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. Nala. Come here, Nala. Come here, come say hi. Come say hi. Everybody missed you. Oh, dear my Baba. My Nala Poo Poo. I love you so much. I love you. You're such a good girl. Gotta get you better so we can go on a walk again. We can start doing some walkies again, huh? Okay. Go ahead, go lay down, Baba. I'm sorry. Did I bother you? She's like, bitch, leave me alone. Bye.